from Diploma 5th semester mining, and we are on a project called Highly Safe and Remote Control Mining under the guidance of Professor Badal Singh.
In this project, we are showing a underground board and pillar extraction method coal mine. We have also developed a machine which is the combination of payloader and dumper, which is fully controlled by remote. The concept of making this machine is to improve productivity and reduce the chances of accidents happen in mines, as we are well aware that underground mines are very risk oriented mines. So in this project, the fully remote control machine will load the coal in its dumper and payloader itself, which will reduce the cost of two machines operations. Using this combination in mines will improve the productivity to grant intent, and it will also reduce the risk factor. So lastly, I would like to conclude that advancement should be mode of developing such machinery in mines.